If I see a train with a different type on the other side track, the video ends. So the next train on this platform towards Hong Kong direction is an R train. That means if I saw an MRR on the other side platform, the video will end. I chose the spot where it's not for boarding, right in between the cars for filming. Oh, is that an MRR over that way? I think I already saw an MRR over that way. Alright, it's like so weird. It's hard to film. Our train right here and MRR right there. If I see a different type of trains, the video ends.